What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and shout out to UAG. Today we got a case video. UAG sent one out. We got the Metropolis LT for your iPhone 15 Pro. So this case is made with Kevlar. As you can see, it's a more rugged type protective case. We got 18 feet drop tested. We got a built-in magnet for that MagSafe that everybody wants, and it's made from recyclable materials. You take a look at the back, it also lets you know that the case got feather-like construction, built-in magnet for MagSafe again, impact resistant soft core, slim low profile design. So I guess it's more minimal. It's not exactly, you know, one of the bulky protective cases, more the minimal protective cases. Cases made from 50% recycled material, so that's dope. They trying to go green. Shout out to UAG. We got the Metropolis. And if you know, you know, UAG got the easiest unboxing in the game. We're just gonna lift up like so. We're presented with this case like an olive green colorway. I like this case a lot, guys. I like this little urban armor gear down here. That branding looks fire. And we got some numbers, some certification for the military standard drop test that they did with this case. So very dope. So this case got 18 feet of drop protection. So they really keep letting you know, like, yo, this is the real deal, military standard drop test. And I guess it's some type of certification number. And as you can see, we got these like dimples on the inside of the case. That adds to drop absorption, guys, so that's really nice. Take a look at the side. We got a nice big power button. You're definitely gonna be able to easily find that and have a nice button press, because the slits on each side of the button will make the button easy to press. Got a lanyard spot also at the bottom, and we got the appropriate cutouts. Now we got a big cutout for the action button, but you guys know I prefer if they will actually put a button there. Volume rock is dope because I like the symbols, minus and the plus. And we also got slits over here, so it's gonna be a pretty nice button press. And on this side, we also have a spot for a lanyard. You take a look at the back of the case, and it's got this Kevlar material, guys. This is kind of like a military type color off, and it's very tight. It's not loose or flimsy or anything like that. When I look at these cases that's got like a fabric back, I would think loose and flimsy, but it's very tight to the case. Just a very nice texture. I like how it feels in hand. Will provide some good grip on this case. And we got a nice raised up ring for your cameras, because you know those lenses protrude. And we got air, like we got some air drop absorption bolstered up in every corner of the case. Here go the top bolstered up, and we got the bottom bolstered in every corner. Nice air type protection, nice drop protection, because a lot of times when you drop your device, it's gonna be on the corner. This urban armor gear branding right here, I think this looks really good. I like this design right here. Shout out to whoever designed this. So now we got the iPhone 15 Pro in the case, and as you're gonna see, your cameras are protected. And like they said, this is a pretty minimal feeling rugged case. Now when I say minimal, I'm not saying minimal like compared to a urban fiber case or something like that, but for a rugged case with a lot of drop protection, this is definitely minimal. Like, again, looks really good. Raised up around the cameras, nice easy button press, all cutouts, all matching. And I think this colorway just looks dope. I mean, this is a more rugged case, so when you think rugged, you think military standard drop protection. So you got like a military type green on the back of this case. Real nice touch here. Also on the front of this case, you got a nice raised lip. So when you drop your device on a flat surface, the case is going to take the impact, not your screen, may prevent a crack or shatter screen. So nice touch by UAG. But a very protective case here, and like they said, it doesn't feel too bulky in the hand. It feels pretty minimal in the hand for a very rugged case with 18 feet of drop protection. It's your boy BG Tech Life. This is the UAG Metropolis LT. I'll put a link down in the description. Thanks for watching. If you're watching, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.